Check out this insane crypto wallet. If you really want to stack some serious cash, stay tuned because I'm about to reveal the entire game plan. I used to grind meme coin trades day and night until I got fed up with losing cash to scams. Then I cracked this strategy. Now I multiply my money 2x or 3x in a flash. The best part of this is being able to repeat the process again and again, non-stop. That's the real reason my bag's been growing so fast. Real talk now. You're not getting rich trading meme coins. The actual jackpot is being the dev behind them. While retail traders get wrecked in pump cycles, the whales have been eating good for years. You could mindlessly ape into Pump.Fun like every other rookie. But check the numbers. Thousands of tokens launch before you finish this sentence. It's chaos. But there's the secret sauce. Radium is our secret weapon. While normies drown in Pump.Fun's noise, we're deploying where the real whales operate. The coding requirement act like a VIP filter that keeps out the trash, but let through premium plays. No dev skills? No problem. I'm revealing the exact loophole to launch elite tokens that attract serious capital. I've been crushing it with this movie, and today I'll provide it by minting a brand new token live from a Virgin wallet. Alright. Step 1 is crafting a logo that hits like a trending hashtag. You need to make something that steals all the attention from the investors. My formula is using whatever's blowing up on Twitter, memes, celebrities, game news. There's a lot of stuff out there that works. Check that your logo is 128 by 128 pixels. Save the file, and with this, we're ready to crush the next phase. Go to the Solana launch website. This website will be your main tool for creating a coin. First of all, connect your wallet. Next, you will see the coin creation form. It is as simple as possible, just the way you like it. Next, just drag your logo into the field. Great, the logo is loaded. Now enter the name, symbol and description of your coin. Keep in mind that the symbol must be up to 8 characters. On the right, we have fields with the number of characters and the total number of coins. Initially, there are a billion coins here. I do not recommend changing these values. Look, there are additional options below. Leave it as is. If all 3 options are enabled, then on various platforms like the deck screener, the coin will basically have more reputation. Well, now click on the coin creation button and confirm the transaction. Almost done. Your token is already in the process of creation. The process itself lasts about 2 to 3 minutes. Do not refresh the page. In a couple of minutes everything will be ready. So, your token is created and already stored on your balance. Here you have the address of your token and several links. Let's go to Solana Explorer and look at your token. Here is your token. It is already in the blockchain. The last step is adding liquidity to the pool of our token. Without liquidity, people won't be able to trade your coin. So just click on Create Liquidity Pool button to continue with the process. You'll arrive to Radium's interface. First is the wallet connection. Mine auto-linked, but you might need to click this button up here. Now set your base token, which is our meme coin. Grab the address from Solana launch and paste it here. Pop in your token details. Click Add User Token. Select your coin to see the 1 billion supply. And then 900 million to the pool. If you wonder why 900 millions, it's just a standard. For the trading pair, Solana is the move. As the owner and creator of your coin, you can just max out your balance here. Investing at least 1 to 2 Solana will make your pool attractive for investors, but always keep 0.2 Solana aside for Radium's cut. In the fee tier section, I always go with 2%, but 0.5% works too. Pick your vibe. Final step is smashing initialize liquidity pool and approving the transaction. Now your token's officially open for business. Mission accomplished. Photon's tracking your token in real time. Now comes to critical phase, profiting from those first crucial price swings. I've seen 1,000 launches live or die in these opening minutes. Every wiggle means something. To monitor your token's performance, open DEX Screener and pick any crypto pair. Once loaded, grab your contract address from Solana Launch. Swap out the URL's address with yours and refresh Instant Market Analytics. Now we play the waiting game for organic buyers. Cash out whenever you're ready. Just keep track of the liquidity, since that's where your profit is. Those random tiny transactions you see here? They're just trading bots doing their automated thing. Stay patient and keep refreshing Radium on standard view. Your position will appear here soon enough. Remember, blockchain transactions aren't lighting fast. If it takes around 15 minutes, that's completely normal. The chain never lies. It'll show up right on schedule. Alright guys, 1 minute ago I got my first nice buy of $100, which is a little more than 0.8 Solana. This pushed the growth of our coin really nicely and took the liquidity up to the 400s. It's been just 6 minutes, so this is a good sign. It's been a while now, but we got 2 buys more. One for $60 and another one for $150. This totals more than 1.6 Solana. That's huge. Look at that chart. Market cap is over $1,600. Liquidity almost at 1,000, and all of this happened in less than 10 minutes. This is insane. Okay, so it's been 12 minutes now. Volume slowed down. There's a few sells over there, but we luckily got $60 more. Market cap is nice, and that liquidity is still juicy, so it's time to say goodbye and go ahead to take our money. First, open Radium's portfolio tab. Double-check that wallet connection up here. Flip it to standard mode, and you'll spot your LP position down below. Hit that minus sign, max it out to 100%, and peek at the Solana figure. That's what you'd cash out. Wrap up by selecting remove liquidity and approving the transaction. Just to be clear, we're walking through this process for educational purposes. Another successful execution. Wallet doesn't lie. We've banked 3x returns here. After 50+ trades using this method, I still see 90% hit rate consistency. This game's about repetition. We rest when the market sleeps. Clear disclosure though, this is 100% educational content. While this strategy works now, crypto moves fast. What's hot today might be cold tomorrow. Strike while iron's hot.